Howdy, AP PreCal. It is Miss Kosh. I am going to show you a few things on Desmos. I tried this a minute ago on the app and it didn't work. So it didn't have all the features and I couldn't quite figure out what to do next. So I'm now on the web version. If you notice on the right hand side, I lied. The left hand side, there's that little, it looks like a magnifying glass sort of. And when I click on that, it went and it found my data points. So I could scroll out there or whatever. But there are the points I had already entered in that table. And by the way, I do that by hitting this plus sign and then there's table. So that's how you would start by entering your data. If you notice in that blue little bar on the left-hand side at the top, it has this thing and it will do, I clicked on that and it gave me already the linear regression. And so you can change the type of regression if I pull down that menu, which I think is pretty snazzy. That's a lot easier than I realized. But this is even cooler. So if you notice, we're now going to talk residuals. So hopefully you already watched my previous videos. And I show you how to do residuals on the calculator. But now if you hit plot right there, all of a sudden it gives you those residual values. And so let's see if I hit that little magnifying glass at the bottom. Okay, here are the residuals. So, I mean, the scale might need to be adjusted. But you can see the residuals, how far off are you from the x-axis? We were a little bit below, or how far off, okay, this point is a little bit below the line, which means that my residual, so let's see if I can find it. Well, this is a little tedious. Okay, let's see if I can get there. That residual is going to be a little bit below the x-axis because it's a negative. It was below that line. So this may not be the best example to see what's happening, but here are your residuals. And I can turn off. So like say I have this, I can turn off those points by clicking that or not clicking that. And then if I wanted to turn that off and just have the residuals on my graph, there we go, which was a fun discovery for me. So then you could decide, okay, is it a logarithmic regression? Well, this one's just not. The residuals here don't tell you a ton because I think they stayed pretty close to the line. But anyway, I thought that was exciting. I thought it was pretty cool. The web version works. I have no idea if what they embed into Blue Book when you want to do like a testing environment, I have no idea if this will work. I did know that whatever app I had on my iPad, it was not as easy to find. So anyway, good luck. Go practice, like, subscribe, comment, and all the things. Goodbye.